Contract terms. In this video, you will understand the prob- probable result for fair bargaining between the parties, grocery store and vegetable greenhouse. For for eight of the 11 pro- provision, you can recognize one provision, a, a condition, not a warranty. Quality. First one is quality negotiation outcome. For this reason, both parties would agree to a flexible quality regarding the amount of supply grocery store include order can order. It benefits both parties. Vegetable greenhouse crop grain contain customers, while grocery store can change the orders. The last clause also referred to various idea that had least a minimum order requirement to make the company profitable enough. Quality of the second one is quality of product negotiation outcome. A trend of grocery store would be to order higher quality items, so they would ensure that the quality was not compromised. Vegetable greenhouse crops would not have any uh, objections to this, as well as the standards are qualifiable in size, freshness, and appearance. It also allow grocery store to retain high quality products, vegetable greenhouse crops, to prevent setting unsustainable standards unlikely to cause conflict between both companies. And the third one is pricing negotiation outcome. The pricing negotiation will likely produce a tiered pricing system for the product. Grocery store may negotiate lower prices per ton for more volume. At the same time, vegetable greenhouse uh, greenhouse would seek a price that reflect the volume product produced and the variation in production throughout different seasons. In this case, the the agreed outcome introduce the agreed upon introductory price would work like a standard price, adjusted up and down depending on the certain conditions and requirements for more orders. And the fourth one is payment negotiation outcome. One essential compromise is setting 30 net payments term, since vegetable greenhouse wants payment made as soon as possible. In contract greenhouse, the grocery store would want the cash on hand. The contact the contract may also contain provision that provide a specific discount if payment are made in advance, which will be helpful for both of them in terms of financial management. The fifth one is deadline deadline negotiation outcome. Since vegetables are highly perishable food products, the delivery time constraints are relevant. Grocery store would ask for strict delivery schedule, which product quality graduates, which with product quality guarantees. On the other hand, vegetable greenhouse would propose a degree of flexible for delivery the degree of flexibility for the delivery period due to one condition or another, such as bad weather or other problems. The parties would specify particular time horizons with some forces majeure provisions. And the sixth one is cancellation negotiation outcome. Cancellation would be rather decla- delicate issue whereby grocery store may wish to cancel order without any penalties. In case of low demand, vegetable greenhouse must pay for earl- for early cancellation for order before the due date of delivery. A fair distribution would likely provide a tiered cancellation policy where the close where the closer the delivery date gets, the more costly it is to carry through with the cancellation. The seventh one is condition pre, pres, pres, the condition precedent negotiation outcome. In their simplest form, a condition could be the provision of initial product samples of acceptability for acceptable quality before the entire contract is implemented. Grocery store will probably need this to ensure the quality of the product purchased, and vegetable greenhouse will also be in agreement. They will see the merits of the projector as a way by which they can show their customers the extent of which they are ready to maintain high standard. The seventh one is government law negotiation outcoming. For the same reason, if the possibility of both businesses would have little reason to object object to apply Ontario law to the contract, it makes legal issues easier, especially for both contracting parties, and thus help reduce conflict that are likely to emerge due to application of different juris, jurisdictions law, since different countries have different laws. Identify at the conclusion almost the term that can be referred to as a condition rather than warranty is a quality of product. Quality is an engine ingredient to the contract because it determines how much grocery store can sell the product to its client. If the quality standards are not met, grocery store can point to violating the contract conditions, giving them the right to suspend the contract and terminate it and claim dangerous. This differs from a warranty where a breach would only lead to a claim for danger, but the contract will not end. In conclusion, these contract terms refers both parties and contracts and potential worries. Given these factors, grocery store and vegetable greenhouse must navigate this terms effectively and create a stable long-term collaborative relationship. Thank you for watching.